Most women think waxing has to hurt, only because no one ever taught them how to breathe with their body during the process. Not against it. Today, I'll show you how your breath can completely change your waxing experience. Your breathing patterns decide how your skin responds to waxing. When your breath is rushed, your skin tightens, and the pain increases. When your breath is slow and deep, your body softens, and waxing becomes so much easier. This soft waxing approach is especially supportive for women with sensitive skin, mature skin, or anyone who has ever felt afraid of waxing pain. Stay with me until point number 12. The shift women say changed their entire relationship with waxing. Let's begin with the foundation. First, you have to understand that your breath controls your skin. Think about it. When you're nervous or scared, you take short, shallow breaths. Right. This signals your body to go into defense mode, tensing your muscles and your skin. On the flip side, a deep, relaxed breath tells your nervous system it's safe to soften and let go. This makes your skin more pliable and allows the wax to grip the hair, not your skin. So much of what we call waxing pain is actually just our body's tense response to a nervous breath. Master your breath, and you master your comfort. Now, before you even think about your skin, prepare the room. This is point 2. Your environment sends powerful signals to your body. Instead of harsh overhead lights, use warm, soft lighting. This tells your body it's in a safe, calm space. Introduce gentle scents like lavender or chamomile, which are known for their relaxing properties. Instead of complete silence, which can sometimes feel unsettling, play some low, calming background music or sounds. Make sure you have a comfortable chair or mat to sit on. When you feel physically and emotionally safe in your space, your body's pain sensitivity naturally decreases. You're setting the stage for a gentle experience. Point 3. Warm your wax slowly, not quickly. Rushing this step is a common mistake that leads to trouble. When you heat wax too fast, you risk creating hot spots, which can shock or even burn the skin. Slow, even heating preserves the wax's ideal consistency, making it smooth and pliable. You want it to be the temperature of warm honey, not hot coffee. Always test it on the inside of your wrist first to make sure it's comfortable. Warm wax doesn't just work better, it feels kinder. It hugs the hair gently, instead of aggressively grabbing at the skin. Rushing this step often leads to more hair breakage and irritation. With our space and wax ready, it's time for point 4. Begin with a grounding breath. Before you apply any wax, pause. Close your eyes, if that feels good. Inhale slowly through your nose, for a count of 4. Hold that breath gently at the top for just 2 seconds. Then, exhale slowly and completely through your mouth for a count of 6. The longer exhale is key. It's what really signals your nervous system to calm down. Repeat this simple cycle 3 times. You'll feel your shoulders drop and your jaw unclench. This simple act of conscious breathing shifts your body out of a state of anxiety and into a state of softness and receptivity. Point 5. Apply the wax with intention, not force. The way you touch your skin matters. Instead of dragging the applicator stick, let it glide smoothly. Find a calm, steady rhythm. Always apply the wax in the direction of your hair growth. There's no need to press down hard. Let the warmth of the wax do the work. Your hands are communicating with your body, and a gentle touch communicates safety and care. When your body trusts your touch, it remains relaxed, making the entire process smoother. Think of it less as a task and more as a mindful ritual. Okay, the wax is on. What's next? Point 6 is crucial. Before removal, pause and breathe. Don't just rip it off instantly. That abruptness is what creates the shock and pain. Instead, take a moment. You can even place your free hand on the skin, just above the wax strip. Now, take a deep inhale, filling your belly with air. The magic happens on the exhale. The simple act of pausing builds a new habit of gentleness. This brings us to point 7, one of the most important parts of this entire process. Remove the wax with the exhale. As you begin that slow, controlled exhale you practiced earlier, that is the exact moment you pull the strip. Your mind and your skin are now responding in perfect sync. The body naturally relaxes and softens during an exhale, which means there's less resistance from the skin and hair follicle. Less resistance equals less pain. You are no longer fighting your body. You're working with its natural rhythm. This is the difference between forcing something and allowing it to happen with ease. Point 8. After each pull, soothe immediately. The moment the strip is off, place the palm of your hand firmly but gently over the area you just waxed. That steady pressure helps to calm the nerve endings, essentially confusing the pain signals. Hold it there for a few seconds. You can follow it with a whisper soft touch or slow, gentle circles to restore warmth and circulation. Don't rush to the next strip. This pause is vital. It's a moment of reassurance for your body, building trust in your own touch and reinforcing that you are caring for yourself. Point 9 is all about hydration before and after. Hydrated skin is happy, elastic skin. When your skin is well moisturized, it's more flexible, allowing hair to be removed more easily from the follicle. Dry, brittle skin, on the other hand, is more likely to lift or get irritated, and hairs are more likely to snap instead of being pulled from the root. Before you start, apply a very light pre-wax oil. After you're done, soothe your skin with something calming like aloe vera or a chamomile-infused lotion. Remember this simple equation. Hydration equals elasticity, and elasticity equals less pain. Point 10 is a mindset shift. Stay connected to your body, not the outcome. Waxing is not a race to the finish line. In fact, most of the pain and frustration comes from rushing. Your body opens up and softens when you give it time. Try to let go of the goal of just getting it done, and instead focus on the sensations of the moment. Pay attention to your breath, the warmth of the wax, the feeling of your own touch. When you transform waxing from a punishment into a self-care ritual, the entire experience changes. Your body will thank you for it. Now 4.11. Using your breath to move through particularly sensitive areas. We all have them: the bikini line, the inner thighs. For these spots, your breath is your best friend. As you work on the bikini crease, focus on a slow inhale followed by an extra long, gentle exhale as you pull. On the sides of the labia, use your other hand to apply supportive pressure, holding the skin taut but gently. Before you wax the upper pubic bone, ground yourself by resting your palm there for a moment. For the inner thighs, consciously soften your hips and let your legs relax. Your breath is the tool that keeps the panic signals from firing, allowing you to stay calm and in control. And this leads us to the game-changing point 12. If pain spikes, stop and reset. This is non-negotiable. Do not just push through the pain. That teaches your body that this process is unsafe, creating more tension for the next time. If a particular pull feels sharp or overwhelming, stop everything. Put down your tools. Recenter with a few slow, deep breaths. You can apply a warm, damp cloth to the area for 10 seconds to soothe it. Then, just rest your palm there. Return to waxing only when your body feels calm and ready when it gives you the yes. This act of listening is how you build a new relationship with your body based on trust. Now for aftercare, which is point 13, and it's just as important as prep. Aftercare is part of future pain prevention. For the first 24 hours, avoid tight clothing. Your skin needs to breathe. Skip workouts or anything that causes a lot of friction or sweat on the same day. Also, avoid very hot showers or baths immediately after, as they can increase inflammation. After about 48 hours, you can begin gentle exfoliation to help prevent ingrown hairs. Your skin heals through softness and gentleness, not through friction or stress. Treat it kindly. Point 14 is a reminder to find your own rhythm. Your glow comes from trusting your own pace. Stop comparing your process to those super fast salon videos you see online. There's no prize for finishing quickly. Your body is unique, your skin is unique, and your sensitivity is unique. Let your rhythm be your guide. Some days you might be slower, and that's perfectly okay. When you stop forcing it and start flowing with it, waxing transforms from a chore into a form of art. Finally, point 15. Realize that the breath method is a deeply feminine skill. It's intuitive, it's nurturing, and it honors your body's sensitivity instead of fighting against it. It respects your body's innate wisdom. By using your breath and moving with intention, you are not just removing hair, you are tending to yourself. You are reclaiming this process as an act of self-love. Your skin remembers how you treat it. When you wax with breath, gentleness, and patience, your body begins to trust you again. It learns that it is safe in your hands, and that deep, trusting connection with yourself. That's where your true glow begins. It was never about perfection. It was always about softness. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more gentle self-care tips. See you next time.